So this is actually another Hunter, but it's a 37 foot that's got the arch. Different manufacturer, but basically the same design. So we got the solar panels mounted up top, and then the dinghy davits to hang a dinghy, and he actually has the exact same dinghy that we are getting. Caribbean 10A with the motor. So that's basically what we're going to be putting on. His installation's a little different because their sugar scoops shaped off different than ours. That's what we're putting on. Let's see if we can get that solar panels out if we can get it there. Here's some example photos of the Atlantic arch that was installed on a Hunter 460. Same boat model as ours. Alright, shortly I'll show you these compared to our boat, and I'll explain how I got pre-installation measurements for this arch. Here are the schematics that are listed on the website and the dimensions of this arch. At the bottom of this, it shows the dimensions of the forward legs. And as you can see, the largest one, max of 123 inches. I'll explain in a minute why this is a problem. So using wood, I built kind of a contraption across the boat to measure. Now if you notice, the red is the fuel intake, the blue is the cleat. Now I got them in the same position as the other boats that I was showed as examples. I squared this off by using the same length of board from the aft of the cockpit. Now using this, I measured from mounting point to mounting point. I got 126 inches. Now we need to add 6 inches to the width of the arch so that we can pull it in with ratchet straps and add tension to the arch for stability. That puts us at 132 inches. The problem is the arch that is ordered is showing a max of 123 inches. But they've done many of these arches and this is one they suggest, so we'll see what happens.
In salt water on Padre Island, and I'm looking at these dunes and thinking about the last news article that was talking about the snakes that have come out on the dunes lately, which Dad doesn't like a whole lot.
Oh goody. they're screw lock. I like screw lock because you can always reuse your lure instead of the ones you could just hook into. So I like small shanks because it doesn't give the fish enough like room. Like if they're hooked and you have this big, some people like the big shank. I just feel like once they're hooked, they have all this space to wiggle out. When they're small, so you click it.
Down shaft.
So once you get to that, you twist it. 1, 2, 3. You can go 4 if you want to.
Oh.
So the reason the screw lock came out because the other ones, they're the ones you stick on and you stick off. But when you want to change lures and you pull it off, it pulls the plastic, so you can't really reuse them. So your lure is like, you're gonna have to get another lure. With the screw lock, you just screw it in, screw it out. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I kind of know what I'm doing.
With these, you would put the hook through there
Right.
and then just clip it on. But it gets a little hard.
Shallow water fish.
It depends, but they're usually really shallow.
Okay. And then where would you look for trout at? See, to me, growing up, I would think moving water.
So, yeah, like, there is trout here, like, a little more of the deeper areas, or like where there's grass pockets. You'll be surprised, but in the winter, they're trying to stay warm. They go into deeper water, the trout.
Okay.
Redfish, they were down. But all the bait is up shallow, so if they're hungry, they're looking for bait.
Oh, yeah. Holy cow. Yeah, I can definitely say the skaters are worse here than they are in Canada. It's almost not even worth fighting them.
Can you get them off my back?
Yeah.
Thank you. There's a couple of them getting
Yeah. Maybe this is why she didn't take the trail and took the water.
I'm gonna tell her too.
Yeah, let's see if they last the mosquito swamp. You can really see them on Dad's shirt. Yeah, breathing definitely. Our friends today. Oh, First red. Little one. As you can tell, we are underway right now. We are heading to get hauled out.
Slow down.
See how that's set? How this is taller than it is? It's not square.
Right.
Yes.
That's because they're using that.
Bow thruster.
It can fall this far. It's
Not gonna hurt anything at this point. I forgot.